In this tutorial, you will learn how to use the Smartspare functionality on your MC1 paving solution. Smartspare helps you to always have a spare total station locked to the prism, ready to make a leapfrog when needed. It prevents human error in positioning the total station and help you deliver high-quality paving. Smartspare does three things. 1. Enables you to shift sides for your spare total stations. 2. Helps you to relock to the prism faster when a total station is no longer blocked. 3. Helps you to lock to the right prism. Let's see it in action. First, you need to enable the Smartspare functionality. Go to Main menu. Press Positioning. Go to Next page. Open the Leapfrog Settings menu. Scroll down. Check the box to enable the Smartspare functionality. Note: Smartspare is only active when the machine is in run and auto mode. Press OK. Press the X to enter run screen. Use case 1. You want to change sides for your spare total stations, so the yellow total station will be spare right and blue will be spare left. Tap and hold on one of the spare total stations, and they will change side without you having to do anything else, such as searching for prism. Use case 2. A tree blocks your spare total station and the paver is moving. Normal procedure would be to make a prism search, but that takes your focus away from paving and you risk locking to the wrong prism. With Smartspare, this is not an issue. As soon as there is a clear line of sight, the total station will at once locate and lock to the correct prism. This is possible because the total stations constantly communicates with MC1 to know the coordinates of the prisms. Use case 3. You have repositioned the blue total station and have manually aimed and locked it on the prism. By accident, you have locked it to the right mass prism instead of the left. As soon as you press Start on the total station, Smartspare will help you correct the error. The blue total station locks to the right prism and yellow switches automatically to the left prism. That's it. You have learned how to use the Smartspare functionality on your MC1 paving solution.